When it comes to location, your cell phone repair shop needs to be in the presence of good anchor stores. These anchor stores bring in business that can help sustain you and keep the lights on. Probably the most important anchor you should have around you is a carrier store. How would a carrier store help you with your repair business, and how can you use it to get more sales? Let's find out. Here are 5 powerful secrets repair shops can use to secure more business from carrier stores. Before we go any further, be sure to hit that like button if you find this video useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and check out the link in the description for our featured article. Carrier stores can be a great source of organic referrals for your repair business. Since they provide people with phones and have brand recognition, you'll have a lot more success in securing real customers through them. People also come in to trade their old phones for shiny new iPhone or Samsung devices that just hit the market. And since carrier stores generally don't accept trade-ins directly, they can refer your repair shop to their customers, opening up an active and consistent stream of income. The best part is that carrier stores have no real ulterior motives when referring to you. They're just making their jobs easier by satisfying their customers, and you get a new revenue stream to work with. Needless to say, proving yourself to be a reliable partner can go a long way. Lastly, you're technically not spending any money to get these referrals, so it's like free marketing for you. So enough about why it's important. Let's talk about how you can do it. Now, first, start by checking out the carrier stores in your vicinity and visiting them. Make contact with the manager and also the sales representatives from the carrier store and introduce yourself. The sales reps will be the ones working on the floor and interacting with customers, so be sure to hit them up. And don't forget to leave your business cards with them. One of the best ways to nurture your relationship with the staff at the carrier stores is by sending over food. Yes, believe it or not, it does work. Drop in with the occasional pizza or donut box or basket of muffins for them. And before you know it, we'll have referrals coming in hordes. Think of the food as an investment for your business. Like any investment, you should be setting aside budget for it. If you have a repair tracking software like RepairDesk, wink wink, you can track how much business you're getting from carrier store referrals and revise your budget accordingly. Another way you can help your cause is by offering the carrier store staff heavy discounts for their personal phone repairs and services. Like, we're talking Avengers level discounts. Repair them for free if you can, since it's only going to help strengthen your relationship with them and make things a whole lot better. The important thing is to be consistent in your efforts. Don't treat these tactics as a one-time thing or limited by other factors. You're going to have to constantly and reliably be working on these gestures. And if you do it right, the payoff is going to be great. Plus, you'll get some great new friends. And lastly, if they're being really helpful to you, then you absolutely should return the favor. Show them your loyalty by getting your friends and family to buy activations from them. Bring them good business, and they'll be even more grateful for your efforts. Now, all this is a great way to get carrier stores to work with you, but do you want to know the real secret to scoring a big payday? 3 words. Free data transfers. Offering free data transfers to carrier store customers is a veritable goldmine for your business. You'll not only establish a very good relationship with them, but will also be able to make good money off of the entire thing. Confused? Here, let me explain. Sales reps at carrier stores will be selling new phones to customers. This means that the data from their old phones will need to be transferred into the newer ones. Since these sales reps get paid by the hour plus commission, they can't optimize their earning if they have to spend an extra hour on each customer for data transfers. This is where you can come in and take away their woes by offering free data transfers to their customers. Think of it as your superpower that's going to save the day. How you make money out of the entire thing is by upselling accessories like phone cases and screen protectors to customers when they come into your store for a data transfer. This surprisingly simple approach can net you greater earnings while at the same time securing more customers for the future. To learn more about how all of this works and what else to consider, check out our article linked in the description. You'll find more information on things like how much business to expect from your carrier store, which carrier stores in the US you should target, and how close you need to be to a carrier store. Alright guys, thanks for watching once again. Remember, if you found this video helpful, there's an article we have in the description that goes into way more detail. Be sure to check it out. Hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe to the RepairDesk YouTube channel, and click that bell icon for more great content like this. Have a good one.